Nobody should have to go through some of the things that we went through. And I'm hoping that from the experiences that me and my godson had, also my goddaughter, that other people will never, ever have to go through the kind of misconduct and the misrepresentation and the false statements and all the things that went along with our case, because we were just trying to pursue justice for a child so he can have full identity of himself. And even if that wasn't the way they thought we should have went, the way they went to try to obstruct and to dishonor the law and to pollute the law and to make the law look like it wasn't there, and then flip the script when I was due money from the way they misrepresented the facts. They wanted to flip the script and make it look like I owed money to them instead of they owing money to me. And that's when they started manufacturing and what I believe motions and misconduct and things, made up stuff, so that drawing us into court so that they can get money both from their client and from their claims. You know, there's a lot of corruption with these cases and these people.
Views, conversations, and opinions expressed on this channel could be subjective or objective and are also for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Here on The Mix, we encourage and implore you to conduct your own research.
Hey everyone, welcome to The Mix. Like this video, share this video. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Before I jump into the topic, as you can see what it's going to be about, yes, an update from Dr. LILLIE COLEY. Who is Dr. LILLIE COLEY? That is Jay-Z's alleged son's godmom, RYMIR. Yeah, so she posted an update about her grievances, obviously, with the judicial system, with the attorneys, judges, etc., etc. So before I jump right into the topic, for you guys to like this video, share this video, and sub up, do that right now. It's free to do that. If you're interested in donating, smash that Cash App, Zelle, or PayPal. It is in the description section of this post. All donations go toward content enhancement creation, you guys. I appreciate your support, those domestically and internationally. Again, shout out to the winner of the cash prize giveaway third quarter. Thank you very much, you guys, for your continued support overall. Also, don't forget, fourth quarter cash prize giveaway is in December. Yes, end of December. So stay tuned, stay connected, set your notification bells, all of that good stuff, etc., etc. So, but without further ado, yeah, so Dr. LILLIE COLEY, she's really using her platform to bring more awareness to the vast amount of corruption. And let's just keep it real, you guys. Let's have an honest conversation. Corruption has been around when it comes to the legal system, the justice system, for many decades, you know, so let's just call that what it is. But now, in my opinion, based off of my observation, it's been more relevant, more out in the open, more exposure because of social media. People get on social media, they share their own platforms, whether they're monetized or not, and they express themselves and share their experiences with the criminal justice system or the civil justice system, with the unfairness, whether it be from a personal or professional level. Social media, I mean, it's out there. Let's just keep it real and call it what it is. But yeah, corruption through the court system, it's been evident and prevalent for so many years and decades. So, but let me go ahead and share the remainder of the clip with you guys. Excerpt from what came across my desk on X, formerly known as Twitter, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, reaction, and opinion regarding Dr. LILLIE COLEY, RYMIR's godmom, on this whole entire corruption thing with Jay-Z, the attorneys, alleged corruption, obviously, and judges in this whole entire case. Here we go.
And people that go around doing this kind of stuff, like a Lisa Fisher, like a Kenneth L. Winters, we have to stop this, everybody. We have to stop attorneys who do stuff to go around and hurt other people. But nonetheless, I'm not going to go off on a tangent on that. The misconduct complaint currently is in the Pennsylvania Disciplinary Board, and it's been in there since September 6, 2024. I'll put all the information in the comments in regard to the ID or the reference number for those who want to track it. And I ask that if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. We will help yourself when it comes down to attorney misconduct. Thank you so much. This is signing out on Keeping It Real with Dr. Lil, and we hope to talk with you soon.
Okay, you guys, this came across my desk on X. RYMIR is here. This is Jay-Z's alleged son. RYMIR is here account, and I follow him, obviously. So it says here, the alleged fraudulent order that started it all. So basically, this is the fraudulent order. They are alleging he and his godmom, LILLIE COLEY, they're alleging that this order was fraudulently filed. Okay. And this is how everything kicked off and went downhill ever since then. I've done some videos on this, quite a few. I'll drop the links in the description section. It seems like, according to previous reports via LILLIE, RYMIR's godmom, is that everything was going fine. I think this was before Jay-Z and Beyonce got married, and then all of a sudden it kind of changed. So things start going south. Jay-Z, to my understanding, it's being alleged that he was cooperating, and they were even talking about him working possibly for Roc Nation, etc., etc., when RYMIR was much younger. Obviously, he wasn't an adult at that time, to my understanding. So okay, so this post further cites the alleged fraudulent order that started it all from the Philly case number, and it says 1611-02625, by attorney who trying to cover himself of the overall fraud in New Jersey. So he filed it in Philly family courts and city court. Concealment of evidence. Files dropped in honor of mom. All public files. Okay, so this is it. So he's saying that, RYMIR is saying that this is fraud, and this is the Philly case number at the bottom. So it's New Jersey, to my understanding, it's New Jersey and Philly. That's kind of connected. I'm assuming that New Jersey wasn't probably acting in favor of Jay-Z, of his attorneys, etc., etc. So his attorney, based off of what RYMIR is saying, Jay-Z's side or whatever, allegedly filed this in Philadelphia as alleged fraud or whatever, to try to obviously get an outcome in their favor. So yeah, so it says here, LILLIE plaintiff versus Wanda Satcher with defendant Sean Carter. Okay, August 13th, 2012. This has been going on forever. Since 2012. Sheesh. Okay, let me jump down here. It says plaintiff's complaint for generic paternity testing and for support is dismissed for lack of subject matter jurisdiction and for lack of personal jurisdiction over defendant Sean Carter without prejudice. This looks weird. And it says it looks like it says here that winter appearance, I think this is for defendant Sean Carter and whoever this is, in behalf of plaintiff LILLIE. So it looks like this is being alleged as fraud. Let's hop into the chat to see what they're saying to RYMIR. It says, you have a great heart, RYMIR. God's on your side. It says here, thank you. RYMIR's responding. It says here, they're tagging CNN, New York Post. Yeah, good luck. The mainstream media channels. And this is the big such injected. They're not going to report on this. Not like that. I'm telling you guys, as far as the alleged corruptions with this case, when you're in this media space, you guys, and this is the mix interjecting, there's so much bias, so much alleged corruption, and just foulness going on. And if you have, I guess, a fave, or when it comes to you would think degreed journalists, when it comes to things like this, would highlight or hone in or report on it from a ethical, upstanding perspective. But no, that doesn't happen, especially when it comes to mainstream media. Basically, in my opinion, they're in bed with certain people, so but anyway, so let me go ahead. Okay, so this says don't stop fighting. This person says the optics are crazy. This person says at TMZ, dreadlock Rasta, make sure this story gets covered. This person says, and they're referring to the black guy who's up there with Harvey from TMZ. Nicki Minaj referred to him as Rasta, dreadlock Rasta, or something like that about a week ago when she snapped and went off and crashed out on TMZ. So it says here, this person says, keep that foot on their neck. Okay, you guys, so what are your thoughts? Drop some comments in the chat, like this video, share this video. I don't really have much more to add. I will do my best to keep you guys up to date. I'm going to run some polls on this, so stay tuned, stay connected, y'all. I've been running polls in the community section, so head on over there, vote. I appreciate you guys. But this whole entire situation is very, very strange. As you heard, Dr. LILLIE is pretty much, in summary, alleging that these judges, attorneys, especially attorneys, they are corrupt. They are doing unethical things, conducting unethical actions on behalf of their client to get things done throughout the court system in their favor, which again, that's an ethical problem. It shouldn't be happening, but hey, we see that it does happen. And like I said earlier in the video, this is nothing new. It's just social media. With it being social media, so many different platforms, and everyone having a voice now. Instead of everyone turning on their regular television and listen to whatever propaganda the media puts out there for you to consume, everyone has a voice now on a variety of social media platforms, from TikTok to YouTube to X to Facebook to Twitch to different streaming platforms, etc., etc. You get my point. So the point I'm trying to make is that this is more in your face now in terms of people sharing their stories, their experiences when it comes to alleged corruption or whatever the case may be, whatever the topic is. It's more out there, and we can see things from state to state. So if you're in California, you can see what's happening in Wisconsin. If you're in Wisconsin, you can see what's happening in Indiana. If you're in Indiana, you can see what's happening in Chicago, and vice versa, etc., etc. From the East Coast to the West Coast, from the South, Texas, you can see what's happening up north in Canada, you know, and all across the world. Everyone has access to social media, so that is why everyone nowadays are able to share their experience, and we're seeing more of this, if that makes sense, more of the in your face type of corruption, which, as I said before, it's been going on anyway behind the scenes for so many decades and years, whatever. So but let me know your thoughts down in the chat. I'm gonna do my best to keep you guys up to date and abreast on all of this, everyone. So stay tuned, stay connected. And I was trying to locate what Dr. Lillie Coley said, hence RYMIR's godmom, the complaint she said she filed with the disciplinary committee, I guess, in Pennsylvania for the attorneys. I couldn't find it. I'm kind of so I'm gonna do some more digging. If I find anything pertaining to the complaint that she has against any attorney or any judges, I will post it in the community section, or probably do another updated video. So thank you guys for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video. Like, share, sub. Bye.